a Ferrero Rocher. The ingredients for this Ferrero Rocher are some Nutella, some chocolate, and also some chocolate shells. You get these on Amazon, and also some hazelnuts, and also some cut cashews. You also get this on Amazon. So let's get into it. I want to assemble the Ferrero Rocher. So then to do that, these shells are here. In each one of them, I'm going to fill in Nutella. Okay. First one. Okay. I've filled up each one of the shells with Nutella. Now I'm going to put the whole hazelnut into half of them. Okay. So then I'm going to put this one. Perfect. One and the other one. I'm going to push it in. Perfect. Another one in. And then the way to do it is you have to take the ones without the hazelnut, put them together, and then it will become like this and it will stick together. So it's like a little ball. So I'm going to do that to many of them, and then I'm going to put it into the freezer for 30 minutes. While my shells were in the freezer, I melted my chocolate for 30 seconds in the microwave. If it didn't really melt, so I did it for another 30 seconds, and then it melted like this. And then you can also watch my other videos to double boil. So yeah, and now I'm going to put the broken cashews into the chocolate and mix them together. Okay, let's take it. Wow! I have added 3 tablespoons of the broken cashew nuts, and look how nice it looks. It's nice and thick. Can you see how it looks? Doesn't it look very thick? I have taken out the Ferrero Rocher balls from the freezer after 30 minutes. Now I'm going to put it into the chocolate sauce and roll it. Okay, take it. Roll it. And nicely roll it. Perfect. Now I'm going to put the Ferrero Rocher into the freezer for another 2 minutes for it to set. I have taken the Ferrero Rocher out of the freezer after 2 minutes. And look, you can even buy these wrappers, these golden ones in the market. And also you can get these type of brown cups for the Ferrero Rocher. Doesn't this look like a Ferrero Rocher? And now I'm going to taste